Hello everyone. In this video we will continue where we left off in the last video, and of course I will show you how to customize your profile or your page. This is your page here. Did you see? Simple, clear, and it has only the necessary things. It has this section here. Wait. You have your data, your audience, established likes, favorites, ratings, and listings. You have your reviews and testimonials, communication experience, and delivery pickup experience. You have delivery requests, your orders. Those are just testings, delivery cards. This is the workspace. This is your profile card in the left side, as you can see here. From here you can post your quarks. You can add your context, emojis, images link if you want to put images link here, or to upload from the picker, from your desktop or mobile. And before creating a quark, please select a topic for your quark before posting. You need a topic here. Choose one from this drop down selection. Then your quark will be displayed here in your quark flow. You can note it, like it, you can edit. The edit, you can edit only the text. If you want to edit the image or something, just remove your quark. Since I am the owner, I can delete it from here. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, delete. No, cancel. So easy. On the right side you have your partners and friends listings. So your network listings, your friends and products, only products here. And all underneath here we have your lines, partners, your friends or something. You can expand your list to see. You have your followers here, trackers. So those who tracks you and follows you. Thank you thank you. No, thank yous listings. You know that we are naming ourselves thank you. In the last video we did name it ourselves thank you. So this is your username. For example, my name is Karim. So Karim's listings. But I don't see my product here. Why? Because this is my own page. So your listings are available in the main app. To view, edit or manage your listings and cards, please navigate to the main page. There you will have full access to update detail, mark items as sold or remove them entirely. I already showed you this in the last video. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need a cover. Let's say I am a sport retailer. Add a cover. You can put your image link here. I prefer to upload an image. Why? Because when you upload an image, the image will already be saved and it will not be removed because it's your own image. You did upload it. But when you put an image link, the image link can be removed from the source. It can be removed from the website that provide you that image. When you put it here, if that website do remove that image, or the owner remove the image, you will not see your image here. It will be gone. It will be deleted because it is an image link. It is hosted. So this is why I prefer to upload an image. As a sport retailer, I already prepared this image. Uploading the image. By the way, this is the desktop app. I'm using the desktop app. Image accept, drag to reposition vertically, then click save. So let's reposition the image. Okay, let's position it here. Let's save. Save. Cover image saved successfully. This is the beginning. Your page already has a cover. Did you see? Click on edit cover. Now we have this. This is very great and cool. This is what makes your page different from other pages, and you can update and change all element here to fit what your business has. For example, we have this cover as a sport retailer. We see that we have a blue colors here to fit what the cover has. So click on this bottom. This is the inspector. Did you see? So you can move it and change the colors. You can see what colors, the updates. So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Let's try to update our color. We have customize your style, a card, border and glow. The first thing I want to say here is we have a light and a dark. So since we are using the light mode and we are not using the dark mode, we should update and change those references only in the light. This is the light, card, border, glow. It has a light. This is only those. Do not manipulate those references, because if you change those references, there is no result. You will see no results here. For example, if you change this color, you can't see anything here, or this orange. Why? Because this is related to the dark mode. When you switch to dark mode, when you come to update your style and page, colors and backgrounds to style it, you should update those references in the dark mode. And don't forget this. Okay, let's just try to make some style here without taking a long time. Just let me think a bit. I will just make the colors that we have here in the cover. So we have the blue, orange, red, we have the blue, gray. Let's make it simple. This is the opacity. This picker, the picker here has this slider is the opacity. Did you see? Let's just make it simple, make it white or gray, for example. Let's make it white. How colors will appear. Did you see? Let's make blue, for example. Did you see? If you go back to the border, then make it black, for example. Did you see? If we change the color, okay, let's just make the thing simple. Let's make the border white, or make no border. 1. Okay, just let me 4. So you have the background. Let's say everything is translucent. Let's say it like this. And you can change the angle of the. Did you see how it is changing the linear gradient? Or let's just make something. So you can adjust your. Let's just make it simple. Make it very simple. Very simple. So don't forget, when you change the references inside the light mode, you will. Why I am telling you this twice, or because I personally, when I change those references, I continue. I forget that this is a dark mode, so I change those references as well. And when I change those references, so the next time when you switch to the dark mode, you will see what we have did here. So you will be wondered or confused about from where those color comes. Who did change it? So don't change the dark mode only when you are in dark mode. So let's continue. Save. Style, save it, close this. Now Let's refresh the page. Let's refresh the page. Do you see? Here is your theme. Do you see? Great. When someone visits my profile, he will see this. He will see this. The next time we are going to explain or to do something very, very important, which is generating a shipping label, and I will personally simulate a real shipping label between a buyer and a seller in real time using Shippo and SpocNet, starting by requesting an order from the buyer and accepting it from the seller side or the provider, filling all the data, and I will explain everything until we generate the label. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Excuse me and forgive me for any just trying to provide you with the correct and the complete guideline to use SpocNet.com.